In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a landing page with Getresponse video. Begin by logging into your Getresponse account. Once you are in, take a moment to confirm you are on the main dashboard so navigation options are visible. This makes it easier to find the page building tools without jumping between menus. Next, go to the top left area and click Tools. From that menu, choose Landing Pages. This section is where Getresponse lets you design standalone pages that are focused on a single goal, like collecting signups or promoting an offer. And it is also where you manage any landing pages you create. Now click Create Landing Page. Getresponse will take you into the setup area where you choose how you want to start building. At this point, select a template if you want a faster starting point with a ready-made layout. Templates are helpful when you want a proven structure and you plan to adjust the text, images, and branding. If you prefer full control, choose Build from Scratch, which gives you a blank canvas. Once you are inside the landing page editor, look for the toolbar that contains different content blocks you can add to the page. Find the video icon, then drag it from the toolbar onto your landing page. Place it where you want the video to appear, usually near the top if you want visitors to see it quickly, or further down if you want them to read a short headline first. After you drop the video onto the page, click the video block to open its settings. This is where you connect the block to your actual video content. Paste in your YouTube or Vimeo link carefully, making sure the full link is correct so the video loads properly on the published page. When the video is set, click Save to keep your changes. Then click Publish to make your landing page live. Saving protects your work in the editor, and publishing is what turns it into a page people can actually visit and watch. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.